You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buongiorno. How do you pronounce the name of this very delicious, it can be said, wine, whose name is from Italian? If you want to learn more confusing wine names and more Italian, stay tuned. But let's break down the Italian pronunciation here. Moscato. Moscato. Moscato is the Italian pronunciation. Therefore, in English, it's normally pronounced as Moscato. Now, the Americans say it with a flap T that sounds like a D, and therefore Moscato, as in Moscato d'Asti, for example. Moscato, not Moscato. Moscato. You should be saying Moscato, however. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.